this, you have to be out of its way.
Go straight.
Ground, storm cellar, or basement. This is down in Moore. It is a violent, large tornado that is at least an F4 tornado, possibly an F5 tornado. It is violent, obviously, and the debris ball is 2.25 miles in width right now. Let's go back to Bob Moore, Chopper 4.
Yeah, there it is, Mike. We kind of stand pushed out because when we kind of come in, it's so dark we can't get any of that light into the lens. But
there it is, right there.
Like you said, this thing is just—it's huge. We're still seeing power flashes. I think it's in just a second. That means it's not on the ground.
We're going by our house.
That means that the power could have already been knocked out.
There it is, right over there.
Reaching those spots. Right now, we're over Shooter Road.
We're gonna get a bunch of hell. Yeah. Go down to, slow down, take a right.
Right here?
Yeah.
It's growing, and it's continuing to come almost straight east, just grinding, ripping everything up in its sides. The inflow at times is probably 80 miles an hour we've been at. We're trying to kind of spin around here and hold the hover and give you just a little bit better shots, but within a matter of minutes, this thing is sucking us in, and we're a mile away than where we used to be. So there it is. You can kind of see it on the ground, just the texture of it. Everything's getting completely wrapped in rain. I'm not seeing any power flashes at this time, but it appears, just from our vantage point, that if it's still on the ground, it's going to be right over the Moore High School right there on Eastern there. Mike.
Okay, appreciate that. It is stalled out. It is stalled out, and it's still very much on the ground, and I'm not going to say that it's lifting. However, the debris appears to be spreading out, the velocities are coming down. So the tornado itself is weakening. It is not lifted, but the tornado is still back in all of this debris. This is all debris, fog, and rain, because it's been going through Moore as a large 1 mile wide plus with a 2.25 mile wide debris ball, huge debris ball. It is back in here with all this debris that is up in the air from the neighborhoods in Moore. So that's what we have right now. Let's go to the storm tracker. And you can, there it is, power flashes. Let's go back, let's go back. You saw the power flashes. It's just the core of the tornado just is on the east side of Interstate 35 right now. There it is, still back in there. It looks like it went through some type of cycle, and the tornado is a little bit more in the middle left-hand part of your screen, and that is located, I see a lot of debris in the air from the Warren Theater area. The whole Warren Theater area, I see a lot of very heavy debris in the air that has plumed up in the past couple of minutes from all the shopping areas at the Warren Theater. There is tremendous destruction at that location right now. Go John Welsh.
Yeah, there it is. As you can see, as you talked about, whenever you cross I-35 eastbound, you're going to come into, on 134th Street, about where that is at. You're going to see a lot of shops, a lot of small buildings, and then after you cross Eastern, you're going to get into another neighborhood area. So right now, if it is where we think it is, it's in some residential or some shopping areas prior to coming in. Once it crosses Eastern, it's going to be back into the heavy housing addition areas. But as you can see, I've kind of advanced not pretty far, about 3 miles to the east, and tons of power flashes gives us a little bit better shot. We can get some more ambient light on the back side of that storm and just show you just the wedge or the form of it. And as you can see, it kind of goes, it funnels out. It's got a pretty big lowering, and then we can almost make out just a little V shape in the very bottom of it, where that tornado is physically on the ground, just destroying power lines and everything that's in the way. As you can see, big power flashes there. It's getting east.